Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. And yes, if I sound tired, I am. It is Friday, about 5:30, and that big ass bar is ready to go. So it's all hooked up. We're ready to go tomorrow morning. We're heading out of here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Yesterday I had about 8 friends come over, help me lift that thing up on the, that's a 15-yard dumpster right there. And the bar looks huge compared to that. So I am set. The boys are gone. They start school on Monday. So once again, I'm down to just me. They were part-time anyway, but Owen's last day was yesterday, and Mikey was a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. He was done. So it's back to me again. So anyway, truck's all loaded. Now this will be the first video in a series of a few connected together, because I'll have some more videos tomorrow. But here's a ceiling fan, and we're all loaded and ready to go. So all right, so that's the first video. Oh, and while everybody was here, we got this one down. So as soon as this install's done, I'll be able to build the bar top, but everything else is done on this. So just got to build the bar top and try and schedule this to go out. All right, I'm keeping this one short. Stay tuned for the next one, which is going to be right now. Hey guys, well, it's now. So anyway, it's we are here in North Wales, and it was a tight squeeze getting in this little tiny road down this driveway, but we got it. I got the trailer in the bar, and we got here at 8 o'clock. It's about 10 of 11 now. So we made some progress. I wanted to get some stuff done before I made a video. So we had a bunch of people stop over this morning and help out unloading the bar. Actually, Jim Barlick's the only one that had to leave, but everybody else is here. We got Patti, Julie, Scot, Bob, the big kahuna, and Glen. Everybody's chipping in today. So Scott's just about got the roof done. The bar's in. Tell you what, we didn't have any problem getting, even though the gate was about 8 inches, 9 inches smaller than the bar. We got it right in, turned it right in. Wasn't a problem at all. So Glen took over hooking up the electric for me, which was nice. I can get other things done. So him and Bob are working on that, and I figured it'd take a minute to make a video. So this is, like I said, we've been here for a little less than 3 hours, and we're almost, as soon as Scott gets done those, we're going to put the roof up and take it from there. We'll see how far we get today. It might go until tomorrow, not really sure, but we'll see. We'll get as much done as we can today. It's a big 14 by 14 roof here, and 10 by 10 bar. Oh, there's Glen. I thought he was under the bar tying it in. He's over at the breaker box. All right, well, Mike, I know you're going to watch this video. Thank you guys very much for the coffee and bagels. And it's going to be a hot one today. Scott's going to be miserable on that roof. The palms are dried out, so that's why we're putting the first row of stalks on to hold all the palms up, because they're getting a little dry. So we're not going to fold them. We're just going to use the stalks to hold them up. So all right, well, that's it for now. Where's Patti? Sitting in the air conditioning in her car. Yep. All right, on to the next video. And we are back. And there's Patti. Where were you?
I was at the Home Depot.
Oh, Home Depot.
I went and let the dogs out.
Who let the dogs out? There's Melissa doing what she does best. You guys see, she made up this thing that she broke her foot and she can't work. Sure she did. Anyway, we're about halfway through the roof right now. Scotty's up there somewhere, but we got all the electricals done except for the ceiling fan, but I can't put that in until Scott closes the roof, because we don't want all the stalks falling on it. Check this fridge out. Double glass door refrigerator. It's nice and cold in there. I think Bob's keeping his drink in there. You keeping your drink in there, Bob? Where's Bob? There's Bob. Bob, what about Bob? What about Bob? We're going through some palms on this roof today. Hi, Patti.
Hi, Kevin.
Hi, Patti. Oh, look who's up.
What?
Do you need a wheelchair?
Shut up, Kevin.
Do you need a wheelchair? You want a crutch?
What? No.
You want a
I
crutch?
just got
Do you
off
need a
of it.
crutch?
Shut up. I don't need a crutch.
Oh. What did he say? Yo, homie? My homie. That's my quarterback in my fantasy league. My homie. It's almost like the union out here. We got one guy on the roof. We got Julie handing him palms. And Bob handing her palms. And the rest of us are just standing here watching them work. Patti, we just unloaded all those palms.
That's all we have now?
No, I took the plywood down. There's still a lot in there.
Think we're gonna make it?
Oh, we're 4 miles from home. If we're a little light, we'll go back and get more. All right, let me step back and give you guys a fuller view. It's a hot one today. I think it's 97 real feel. There we go. All right. Hey, Glen. You want me to hand you more palms? I'll hand Glen more. Was Glen down there? Oh, he's fixing that light. All right, never mind. All right, well, until the next video, which is now. All right, guys, it is 6 o'clock. It's been a 10-hour day. It's a longer install than normal, but we're done for the most part. I got to come back tomorrow, hang the TV for them. But we're all cleaned up. Julie and Patti did a phenomenal job cleaning up. Bob was sweeping. Scott on the roof. On the roof. So that was a lot of palms, long day. We are done. This is a 10 by 10 with a 14 by 14 roof. Like I said, me and Glen, you saw him in the previous video. Him and I are coming back tomorrow. We got to cut that real long palm right there. But we're coming back tomorrow. We're going to hang the TV. I got to make a bracket for it. But yeah, long day. Long day. There's the pool. All right, this 10 by 10 bar, the one you've been seeing in the shop, was custom built by Tiki. This is bar 15 on the season. 16 we took off the table the other day, sitting on the floor in the shop. I am utterly exhausted. So, but working again tomorrow and Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, and you know. Anyway, all right, so this 10 by 10 bar's got this double glass door refrigerator. This is a really nice refrigerator. It's nice and cold in there. So we were keeping some drinks in there today too. But it's got the rope lighting, as you can see under there. And you guys saw the ice bin in the shop. There it is right there. And the TV, this one's a little different as far as the setup goes. Usually this is the back where you walk in, and that's the front. But this here is actually the front, which typically would normally be the side. But that's the front, and that's the side, right there. And there's nobody on the other side, because their electric came in from the old Tiki bar up in here. If you guys remember that video, the one we disassembled, destroyed, smashed, Tiki Kev smash. Tiki Kev got smashed in the face with the roof, but the electric came in over here, so nobody's really going to be over here. But if they do, I put the footrest in over here just in case. Anyway, people can stand there and maybe put their foot on the footrest. And there's the ceiling fan and the light. And like I said, TV's I got to make something up tomorrow, and I'll be back to put the TV in. Maybe I'll take another video. But that's about it. You got the cabinets all the way around, and 8 Tiki Kev bar stools, and a little bit of exhaustion. But other than that, we're good. We're getting ready to head out of here now. Truck's all packed. Bob's driving the truck. Patty's going to take Scott back to the bus, and I'm heading back to the shop. All right, so from North Wales, PA, and for everybody that helped, and this morning Jimmy Barlick was here. He helped move the bar in and get it off the trailer. Glen, Scott, Melissa, Patti, Julie, Bob, and myself. It was a long day. So we are out of here. So from North Wales, PA, Tiki Kev out. All right, guys, here we are back in North Wales, PA, and there's the mounting system I made for the TV. Unfortunately, Mike, who's blames Murphy's Law, Mike?
Murphy's Law.
Murphy's Law. He actually got a very nice outdoor TV, not knowing how heavy they were, and the bracket wasn't sufficient enough. So we actually, Glen and I actually got it up there. Where's Glen? There's Glen. And we had to take it down because it was putting a lot of stress on the bracket. So Mike's going to go get a different bracket, and it's going to get rehung whenever he does that. So it is Monday, and went in the shop and made that yesterday. And that about wraps it up for this project. So on to the next one. So for Mike and Glen, wherever Glen went to. Oh, and Mike gave us these beers. What do you guys think? Have you had these before? What's this called, Mike? It's a
Delirium Nocturnum.
Delirium Nocturnal. Try it, guys. See if you like it. All right, from North Wales, PA, and the whole entire Tiki Kev crew from this weekend, Tiki Kev out.